I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is verbs. A verb is a word that expresses an action, a state or possession. Examples: Gurmeet is teaching children. Action. Devin is a great cricketer. State: I have 2 pens. Possession. तो आपको किसी भी स्टेटमेंट में जब कोई एक्शन, स्टेट, पोजेशन दिखती है तो वो आपका वर्ब होता है. Now let's see different kinds of verbs. One way of classifying verbs is classifying them into the following 2 categories. Main verbs, they are also called the finite verbs. They are limited by the number and person of their subject. Example: I play, we play, you play, he plays, and they play. The main verbs must agree with the subject. And then we have the auxiliary verbs. They're also called the helping verbs. They're used with the main verbs to show tenses and to form questions and negative sentences. Auxiliary are of 2 kinds. Primary auxiliaries are be, is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had. Modal auxiliaries are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, dare, need, must, or to, used to. Examples: I was absent yesterday. He can drive a car. तो आपके main verb होते हैं, इनको finite verb भी बोलते हैं, और auxiliary verbs आपके helping verbs होते हैं. Remember, modal auxiliary verbs do not change with the change in number and the person of the subject. Now, one verb for several words. Brevity is the soul of good writing. The reader loves to read in brief, and one way to achieve brevity is the use of one verb for several words. तो बहुत सारे words की जगह एक word आप लिख दो जो इतने सारे words को explain कर दे, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. उसके लिए आपको vocabulary आनी चाहिए. So rest after work, relax. Make feel sad, sadden. Draw attention, attract. Give support, encourage. Accept as true, acknowledge. Look carefully, search. Come down, dissent. Officially agree, approve. Stir to mix, dissolve. Talk about, discuss. Look similar, resemble, put up with, tolerate. Show approval by clapping, applaud. Clear doubts or worries, reassure. Come out, emerge. Wash, dry and iron, launder. Have faith and believe. Move on axis, rotate. Make smooth and leveled, flatten, and speak ill of, criticize. Now, assessment zone: replace the italicized word in each sentence with a verb from the box and rewrite the sentences. Nandini looks like her father. So Nandini resembles her father. Then we have the movement words. There are numerous verbs in English that describe movements. Learn the following movement verbs and the group of words that explain them. So you have move slightly, budge, move with body close to the ground, creep, move slowly, crawl, move upward in the air or sky, rise, move from one end to another, swing, pass through water, swim, move from one side to side, sway, move to escape, dodge, move head first in water, dive, move putting one foot in front of the other, walk, move fast, run, move in mud or water, wade, move with short steps, swinging from side to side, waddle, move smoothly, flow, jump up, spring, push or pull suddenly, jerk, pull hard or violently, tug, move round a central point, rotate, move in short hasty steps, scurry, move round, revolve, swing back and forth, oscillate, move around quickly in a circle, whirl, go up in the air, soar, jump on one foot, hop, spring suddenly from the ground, jump, move in a rhythm, dance, move in no hurry, stroll, move like a horse, trot. Now, assessment zone: fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs from the box. The rabbit was dash, but when it saw the snake, it couldn't move. The rabbit was hopping or trotting, but when he saw the snake, he couldn't move. Now, there is subject-verb concord. Concord means agreement. Subject-verb concord means that a verb must agree with its subject in number and person, and in this connection, remember the points given below. तो subject-verb agreement, verb को subject के साथ agree करना पड़ेगा, तभी sentence आपका meaningful बनेगा. Number 1 is grammatical concord. Look at the sentences given in column A and B. The girl is studying, the girls are studying. A child like toys, children like toys. A mad bull has entered the school compound. Some mad bulls have entered the school compound. The subject of the sentences in column A are singular and so are the verbs. The subjects of the sentences in column B are plural and the same is the case with the verbs. दो subject जो आपकी कॉलम ए में है वो सिंगुलर हैं, वर्ब्स भी सिंगुलर हैं, कॉलम बी में आपकी वर्ब्स भी प्लूरल हैं, एंड योर सब्जेक्ट्स आर ऑल्सो plural. The subject verb agreement is called the grammatical concord. Some rules of grammatical concord: when the subject is one of followed by the plural noun, the verb is singular. One of my classmates is blind. One of my boys has failed. When the object is there, the verb agrees with the real subject that follows it. There are 20 students in my class. There is no doubt about his intelligence. A plural number expressing distance, height, weight of an object or an amount of money is considered singular and takes a singular verb. 500 rupees is not a big amount. The distance between Delhi and Jaipur is 300 kilometers. Then you have the notional concord. Now look at the sentences in columns A and column B. The audience in the conference hall consists of all types of people. The audience are getting restless. Ours is a small family. The Gupta family often quarrel among themselves. In the sentence given in column A, there is a grammatical concord because the group of people in each case is considered one undivided whole and hence the verbs are singular in number. But in the sentences in column B, there is no grammatical concord because the subject in each case is singular but it is followed by a plural verb. This is so because the subject is thought of as a single individuals forming a group. Agreement of this type is called notional concord. Some more examples of the notional concord are given below. Bread and butter is his only food. Food and the horse and carriage is here. Go together. Sons and Lovers is an interesting book. A title. अब यहाँ पर आपका notional concord में कोई grammatical concord follow नहीं होता है. एक basic notion given होता है. इसमें आपको grammatical concord follow नहीं होता है. The team are taking lunch. Individual players. My trousers are dirty. Trousers considered plural. Snakes and ladders is a favorite game. A game. A sheep is grazing in the park. Singular and plural of sheep is the same. Some sheep are grazing in the park. Singular and plural of sheep is again the same. The police have caught the thief. Collective noun plural. Now assessment zone. Fill in the blanks with the correct present tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. A new car dash a lot of money. A new car costs a lot of money. Now there is one error in each of the following sentences. Correct the errors and rewrite the sentences in your notebook. You, he and I am good friends. So you, he and I are good friends. So students, with this we are done with this chapter. Follow up the grammatical and notional concord between the subject verb concord and rest of the exercise questions. Please do it yourselves.